Il-Partit Laburista fil-Gvern dejjem mar kontra l-kurrenti negattivi bla naħari ikun il-progress u l-ġid tal-poplu Malti wawċi. Għal dan id-deputat mexxej Laburista Alex Saliba fil-Ħeluq Tal-Kunsill Ġenerali ta' Socialist International li saret f'pajjiżna. U kompla li dawn id-diskussjonijiet ma setawx isiru f'mument aktar opportun fejn id-demokrazija aktar ma jmur aktar tiġi imrażna minn dawk li huma populisti. Għal kif dan il-moviment qed iħares il-qudiem sabiex jintlaħaq bil-paċi madwar id-dinja. Intqal bil-kontra ta' pajjiżi oħra madwar id-dinja li qed jesperjenzaw rati ta' inflazzjoni bla rażan, iżjed diskriminazzjoni bejn is-sessi fost aktar problemi soċjali. Malta il-każ hu kompletament differenti.
And that is why we have been in government for the last 14 years. But this is a lot of hard work, making the right choices when it comes to policy and also setting the right priorities. We have a growth model for Malta that has benefited all our citizens. We are giving back to them as much as we can, and we are trying to divide this economic growth in the most equitable way possible.
Indirizza wkoll l-Ħeluq ta' din il-konferenza l-President tal-Partit Laburista Alex li qal kif il-Partit Laburista bil-kontra tal-partiti populisti qed ikun ta' għajnuna għal dawk l-aktar vulnerabbli.
Our task is not to change our values, but to learn how to speak them so that every worker, every parent, every young person, every pensioner can recognize their own life inside them. That will demand courage. Courage to say we will not imitate the far right's language in order to defeat it. Courage to stop chasing their agenda on migration, on identity, on law and order, and instead bringing the conversation back to what truly gives people security. Good jobs, fair pay, public services that work, neighborhoods where everyone feels they belong.
Sa dan it-tant fl-interventi għaw segretarju internazzjonali Laburista John Grech qal kif fl-aħħar 13-il sena Malta kienet magna tal-progress favur aktar paċi u drittijiet ċivili.
In our home, which has been for the past 13 years an engine of progress for civil rights, reforms, social reforms and economic prosperity.
Il-Koordinatur Ġenerali ta' Socialist International Tal-PL ringrazzjat lil Malta li provdiet spazju mill-aqwa sabiex issir diskussjoni produttiva.